Hello there. Being able to concentrate is one of the silent SU. That means the person who would concentrate using such skills might not be capable of initiating such matters, particularly these things that are really difficult. I would propose making such matters that are modern, new, and significant to find out the reality of being such a person who may differentiate between these two words. A person is eager to understand such ideas, but these ideas need to be implemented in an established matters. Topics alone are not enough to create significant impacts and outcomes. That's why I'm saying these two words are really silent to understand the differences between levels of teaching, materials of scientific matters, developing such skills and experiences. Qualification is vital, but vital is not the accurate pronunciation of the word vital. And that's why I'm using such a pronunciation to make the attentional aspects, especially to those who do not differentiate between GPA, which is really dependable and accurate in terms of registering a person in such scientific studies. We do not follow such development because of decision makers are not accepting nowadays such clues, ideas, views, opinions, stances, and real developments. Valedictorian and valedictory are not only words that could be pronounced or uttered, or the letters of these two words are articulated by a normal person. Articulation is not enough. We have to understand the deep meanings of such words so that we could understand the whole project. Rates, percentage, and ratios are significant numbers to determine the highest levels of such students, persons, trainees, cadets, and those who are looking forward in order to develop themselves in matters of achieving grants of the highest levels. 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, all these levels have been implementing, have been developing according to scientific and specific rules in order to determine the best students within a class. It is abbreviated in such matters according to acronyms, but at the same time we have to understand differences among colleges and universities. These differences initiate such privilege that establish the highest grants, the highest profit, the highest achievements within the final anniversary or ceremony. So valedictorian is the highest levels of achieving very good, best, excellent, etc. of these titles. Titles are the futuristic perspective of achieving such matters, particularly when we talk about specific materials, specific syllabi, specific topics that could be reflective upon our future projects, particularly when we talk about the investment, the return of investment, and developmental matters within the scientific aspects. I'm not talking about now researchers, peer-reviewed articles. I'm talking about the grades, the grants, the outcomes that must be followed in our countries. Thanks.